Welcome! In front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, you will need to turn on the watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, grab your phone and make sure that you have internet connection on it and also the Bluetooth is enabled. I have both enabled, so now we can open the Google Play Store on our phone. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Lenovo Smartwatch and tap search. You should see this application on the list, Smartwatch S2/C2. Tap on it to select it, then tap on install button and wait until the application is done installing. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Here check the box and then tap on agree. And now we need to log in into a Lenovo account, or basically we need to create an account if you don't have one. So if you don't have an account, tap on user registration and register an account. Or if you have an account, tap right here, enter the credentials and tap on login. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and then we can tap on login to log in. Now we can set up a profile, so we can select one of the genders, tap next, height, weight, and the date of birth. And once you're done, you can tap on complete. Once you are done with the profile, you may get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions, and you can deny them or allow them. For example, phone calls and other permissions, you can, like I said, deny them or allow them. I'm just gonna allow them for the sake of the video, but if you don't want to allow them, you don't need to. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see the homepage of the app. Now tap on the personal center, and here tap add watch. Tap on agree, tap on the watch S2, allow or deny the permission, and then tap on bind device. Here we can allow or deny the location permission, and I believe this one is required for the pairing of the devices, but you can try denying it and see if it's gonna work. But I'm just gonna allow it. And tap on bind device again. The app should start looking for the nearby devices, and as you can see, it detected our watch. Make sure it's selected, then tap on confirm. And then tap on complete. And now on the personal center page, you should see your watch right here on the list. You can also wake up the screen on your watch, and next to the battery icon, you should see this antenna icon. This means that the watch is connected to a phone. You can tap on the watch right here on the page to open the device page for it, and you have the battery power and different settings for your watch, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.